It's Thursday, and that means we are back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, she showed us an unexpected pairing of foods. Let's check it out.
I want to encourage you to play with fruits and vegetables so that you can enjoy all the flavors of the season. I mean, really enjoy them. So I just am kind of playing with some of the things I have on hand today. I have some peaches, I have some snow peas, and I have some fresh green beans. And what I've done is, to start off, I got started without you. I sauteed some onions, about a half of a medium, small to medium onion, and I sauteed it in this pan with a little bit of oil just until it started to caramelize. And then to that we're going to add the peaches. Peaches are a stone fruit. You want to make sure when you buy them that you're picking peaches that are firm and not too kind of dented in and mushy, but once these start to get soft but still a little firm, they're really ready to eat. I would think that you could also use nectarines would be great in this. While we're waiting for them, I'm going to chop up some fresh herbs. Really, you can use whatever herbs you have. You can even use dried. I would use a lot less. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons here of fresh oregano. Oregano is my kind of secret favorite, not really too much of a secret because I talk about it all the time, but it's my favorite summer herb because I just feel like it's so underutilized and it just has a little bit of a different flavor. It's not the same as the dried stuff, but I would think basil would be great in this. Basil goes really great with peaches. If you had like an Italian blend, you wanted to just sprinkle a little in there, you could do that. I just pulled all the stems off and I'm just going to kind of chop this up. The other thing I did before we started today is I pulled all the pieces off of the green beans, all the little pieces from that needed to be cleaned off of them, and then I just made them into smaller, more manageable pieces, and I blanched them. So blanching is when you boil water and you throw something into it, the vegetable you want to blanch, for about 1 to 2 minutes, and these were in there for about 1.5 minutes. And I did that just so they would start cooking ahead of time. It kind of cuts down on the amount of oil we need in this as well. And this is about a ½ pound of green beans. You could just double this and that would be all you use. But I had some snow peas that I wanted to use up, so I'm throwing them in as well. Just a little variety. Doing is just tossing this really well to coat with all the oil and the juices that are in the pan. And we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. And now once we have it, it's been cooking a little while, you can see that our peaches here are starting to get a little caramelized and they're getting soft. I'm going to sprinkle in our fresh oregano. And then another little bit of an unusual ingredient I'm going to add. I've got some white balsamic vinegar. I actually bought this vinegar with peaches in mind. When I saw it, I said this is going to go great with summer peaches, so we're going to put just a little bit of vinegar, maybe about 2 teaspoons. That is going to add just a little bit of a tang from the acid. It'll really complement the peaches. And then just a sprinkle of salt, a sprinkle of pepper. And here we have a very unique and beautiful summer side that is really going to be something I hope your family enjoys. So whether it's peaches and greens, peaches and beans, or whatever vegetables and fruits you play with, be bold, be brave, and just play around with some of the the really great things that are in season right now. Your family will love it.